Kaya, so itutuloy natin. Nakaligo na ako. 7:40 na, matatapos ako ng mga 8:15. Para solid. So, nag-end tayo kanina dito sa next page. Okay, let's continue. Wala nang eme-eme. Ano naman tong Zoom na to. Kahit nandito ako sa gilid. Kita ang katangahan. So, saan na tayo banda? Di na nga, nililito ko pa siya. Wait a minute. Tapos ko na to. Ito na tayo. Okay, part 3 na to. Okay. In your social studies class, you are planning to conduct a field trip in your local museum. What is the most important step to ensure that the trip is inclusive for learners with physical disabilities? First is to choose a reputation. Siya? Choose a museum na may reputation for being accessible to PWD. Parang tama din naman. Pero, is it the most important step? Provide a clear instruction about itinerary expectation for the students. O ano kinalaman niyan sa mga PWD? Offer alternative activities. Huwag mo naman na hindi sila ipag-participate. Or collect information about the students' individual needs beforehand and plan accordingly. So, best naman yung letter D, na ikokolekta mo yung mga individual information, excuse me, at magpa-plan ka accordingly. Ang sagot ko kasi nung una is, mamili sila ng museum na may magandang reputation when it comes to PW accessibility. Pero tama, dapat magkaroon na lang, mas better nga, na magkaroon ng, bakit pag nakaganito ako, sinisipon ako pag normal lang na nagsasalita ako, hindi naman ako nagkakaganito. Oh. Ano oras na ba? Mamaya 8:30 pa ako inom gamot eh. Ayun. So, tama na mas maganda na, dito na nga ako. Mas maganda na we have to collect information about students' individual needs. Okay, which statement is false? Authentic assessment and traditional assessment complement each other. This is true. DepEd's grading system includes both traditional and authentic assessment. Oo naman, kasi meron parang written assessments, di ba? Which is 20% sa lahat. The DepEd's grading system puts more weight on performance assessment, which is also correct kasi sa PE at TLE 60% siya, sa Filipino sa languages siya ay 30 ba? 60, 50 ata, 50-50. 40% ang sa math at sa science. So, ang bali dito is authentic assessment because it is performance-based, does not need to be complemented by traditional assessment. No, kailangan magka-complement pa rin. Hindi ka sila tinitignan as magkalaban, kundi something na makakapag-complement with one another. In a group project, a blind learner expresses frustration with his inability to access the same material as their peers. As a teacher, how can you best support these learners? Siyempre, i-assign siya sa student in a separate independent task. Yan yung hindi natin gagawin kasi nga inclusive na tayo. We want that we also provide the student with materials na accessible sa kanya. For example, yung audio recording. Kasi tatandaan kapag sa prof ka, ikaw ay mabait, ikaw ay mabait, ay, ma, 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 hindi ka, ano lang sa salary, and basta idealistic ka at perfecto kang guro. What is the most appropriate tagline for the slogan on cultural diversity? A people without the knowledge of their past history, origin, and culture is like a tree without roots. So it talks about the cultural identity. Kapag hindi mo alam kung ano yung mga pinanggalingan mo, kung sino ka, kung ano yung origin mo, ano yung history ng bansa mo, and etc., wala kang cultural identity, ibig sabihin. Ba't ba may langaw, kabisit? Next, what's SDG number refers to quality education? That is SDG number 4 because PZHQ, GCDI. RS, Conclave, L, partnership, justice partnership. So PZHQ, Q is the quality education. That's number 4. Next, the design of tracks and stands in senior high school curriculum that stresses exit competencies to be attained by every K to 12 completer strongly adheres to which 21st century skill category. So, lahat ng mga strand and tracks is nakalagay sa life and career. Ay, nabasa ko na kanina kasi ito about sa senior high. It's 6 answers how a curriculum will be organized to achieve students' learning at the optimum level and what amount of information they can absorb in learning the various contents of the curriculum. So kapag it's all about the psychological foundation. Kasi dito tinitignan mo sa ano ba yung ano ng level na optimum level ng students na kaya nilang makapag-absorb ng ganitong level, anong ganyan. So, tinitignan ang psychological foundation ng learner. Next, o diba, dara-diretso ng maliko to, color red na ang liit pala, grabe. Ito yung tinitignan ko. Print ko nga kasi. The stimulation of action best explain the behavior of an individual to take what he perceives to be the shortest route of his goals. Tama, motivation ng answer. Kasi, stimulation of action. Di ba kapag nagkakaroon ka ng motivation, pipiliin mo yung best, yung sa tingin mo ito yung pinakamaganda. Kaya mabibigyan ka ng mas stimulate yung action mo na kaya nga, 'di ba? Sinasabi na mas maganda na may disiplina ka kaysa may motivation ka kasi kapag may disiplina ka kahit na ayaw mo, kahit wala kang motivation, gagawin mo. Pero pag may motivation ka, meron kang stimulation ng action. Kahit ayaw mo, kahit kung ayaw mo, hindi mo na gagawin. So, kapag meron kang motivation ang sagot. Ang sagot ko kasi response, which is mali. So, this stimulation of action best this explains the behavior of an individual na sa tingin niya shortest route of goals. Yun yung pupuntahan niya. Motivation. What example can you exemplify Skinner's negative reinforcement theory? No final grade for those who have 1.25 grade. Yan ang ilalagay natin pa dito. Yang kay Skinner, yang naiintindihan ko yan, no? Pero kapag i-a-apply ko, parang, wait a minute, hindi ko na naman naiintindihan. Ganon ang atake sa akin. So, di ba, meron na naman siyang laro ang nakuha. Pag ganyan yan. So, ang hirap, di ba? Kaya, yan, Skinner theory, yung, paano siya naging negative reinforcement? Kasi, nag, ah, nag, negative reinforcement. 'Di ba? Parang nakakalito siya with positive reinforcement at positive punishment at negative punishment. Like, nalilito ako dyan. Pero ang sagot natin is, example kapag negative reinforcement, no final grades for those who have 1.25 grade. No final exam para sa mga may grade na 1.25. So, parang ini-aim nila yon negative. So, magiging masaya sila. So, kapag reinforcement, masaya. 'Di ba? Tama ba? Negative. So, mag-aalis na lang tayo ng something na mas hihirap pa sa buhay nila. Basta nakamit nila yung ganun. Parang nagigets ko siya na hindi ko siya nagigets. So, Lord, enlighten me please. Daldal niya talaga, no? Next. In this approach, loose part materials are used as invitation and provocations for play. Ano ba yung loose part? Play? Yan, yung Reggio Emilia. Yan yung sinasabi ko. Yan yung loose part. Kasi may play based na agad ang sagot ni bakla. O di, Reggio Emilia. So, kapag yung kay, ano yung kanina, Waldorf, yung meron siyang dance movement para sa rhythm. Dito kay Reggio Emilia, may kinalaman naman siya sa loose part. Materials are used as invitation and provocations for play. Gets? So, para siya invitation, loose, basta tatandaan mo, loose part. Pag ito, nabato ko na ito, wala na tayo laptop, bahala ka. Next. An early childhood educator uses play orchestration strategies such as designing play spaces. Wait lang, may interrupt lang ako saglit 1 minute lang darat. Nakakainis yung mga nagpo-post sa TikTok na kesyo 3 weeks lang sila nag-review, tas nakapasa na sila. Like, why do you have to tell that story? Para tamarin yung mga nagre-review? Or, well, sabi naman ni Begs, wag ko na daw, hayaan ko na lang, I don't have to mind them. Pero nakakainis, nakakadigra kasi siya. Hindi siya nakakasaya na for me lang ha, na okay, pero sige, kwento nila yan, kwento na lang nila. Pero nakakainis siya. Like, okay, flex mo na hindi ka nag-aral. Kasi ganun yung dumadating na ano sa akin na flex na lang hindi sila nag-aral tapos nakapasa pa rin sila. Alam mo yung mga ganong estudyante sa exam. There's a frustrating, ay hindi ako ano, nag tapos sila pa yung highest. Yung gano'n, nakakaano. Pero bubuti na may nabasa ko na top notch siya na talaga nag-aral siya. Like, what the hell? What? Yun. Okay. An early childhood educator uses play orchestration strategies such as designing play spaces as environments for learning and care routines that invite children's active participation. One of the following rules must not be followed, not be followed to create a well-designed space. Hindi na naman ifa-follow. So, ito, positive. Children should be provided with safe areas. Siyempre, positive yan. Never use boundaries or dividers di ba, to designate areas. Parang, ano naman, too much ka naman dyan. Use varied soft materials such as curtain, rugs, or carpets. Good. There should be an open and inviting entrance area to offer invitation to children, visitors, and parents. So, mali lang dun yung never, as in, wag na wag kang gagamit ng mga boundary or divider sa mga designated area. And di ba may mga places na hindi naman pwede dun yung mga estudyante. So, ba't naman ganun? Okay. A person who is friendly and has a capacity to make people laugh is merong possesses intra or interpersonal intelligence. Who he was the father of modern education who believed that children learn naturally from simple to complex. Sino ba ang father of modern education? Modern science ay si Galileo Galilei. Sino sa education? Si Comencius, si Comencius, hindi si Archimedes, hindi si Bas, hindi si Locke, si Comencius. Next, the following are example of divergent materials. Ito, hindi ko ito naiintindihan. So, isusulat natin yun. Ang mga convergent na materials, convergent and divergent materials. Kasi alam ko na yung convergent is yung parang nagpapabuka, divergent is nagkakaroon ng parang conclusion at the end. So, kapag divergent is dapat meron siyang isa na lang yung conclusion niya. Pero anong mga materials? Jigsaw and flashcard. O, di ba kapag jigsaw and flashcard, di ba parang isa na yung mabubuo nila at the end. Puzzles and shape sorters. Ano, hindi ko talaga nagigets siya. Pero, loose parts and natural materials ang sagot. Mali yung sagot ko eh. A at C yung sagot ko. Kung baka yun yung convergent. So, following are example of divergent materials, loose parts, and natural materials. Next, which of the following is true about human development? True. Human development consider both maturation and learning. Of course, yes, tama. Development refers to the progressive series of changes of an orderly, coherent type of goal of maturity. Tama. Basta pag maturity may kinalaman daw sa age. Development is gradual and orderly unfolding of the characteristics of the individual as they go through successive stages of growth, which is also true. So, all of the above. Which of the following describes teacher as a curriculist? So, ang teacher ay isang planner, initiator, implementer, writer, knower, ano pa mga yan. So, yun, nasabi ko na lahat. Knower, planner, evaluator, except model. Kasi as a curricularist, hindi naman yung ORRR. Dito, hindi naman kinalaman yung model. Ang model is may kinalaman kay Bandura. Kay Bandura ay ang social learning theory. Na nagsasabi na ARMM. Ayan. Next. Next is the correct order of psychosexual stages proposed by Sigmund Freud. Psychosexual stages of Sigmund Freud. Ito yung OA phalage. Oral, anal, phallic, latency, genital. So, OA ka phalage. OA phalage. Tama. One teacher for 2 to 4 different grade levels in a single class. Ang tawag dun is multi-grade. How can we discover and enhance creativity of students as it is best? So sabi na to, you let them, make them, hayaan mo sila gumawa ng sarili nilang artwork gamit ang iba't ibang materials na gusto nila. Along Erickson's psychosocial theory, stagnation is self-absorption, not siga, siga, siga time, siga time, siga time, siga time. Stagnation. Stagnation is self-absorption that doesn't want change ang mali ko. Self-absorption. Tama nga, no? Self-absorption. Siyempre, ibig sabihin, wala ka pakialam sa ibang tao. Self-absorption. Sa sarili mo lang, ikaw nakatingin. So, that's self-absorption. Cares for no one ang sagot. In K-12, what happened to the students who failed in two learning areas? Oh, ito funny kwento. Nalaman ko to dahil sa pakikinig ko sa usapan ng hindi ko dapat pinapakinggan na usapan. Kasi, di ba, syempre, teacher ang mommy at marami siyang mga co-teacher. Tapos, siya ang nag-check ng grades ng mga, basta ng mga forms. So, naalam niya kung ilan yung mga hindi papasa, ilan yung magre-retain. Kaya ako na lagi natatandaan to, na kapag dalawa lang ang learning area na bagsak mo, kailangan mong i-pass ang remedial. Pass, papunta ka ng grade 8, pag naipasa mo yung English 7 at Math 7. Pero pag tatlo na yan, kailangan mong ulitin ang buong level. Yan. Which of these is not one of the stages of Mildred Partet? Ayan. Si Mildred Partet ay hindi natin kilala. Mildred Partet stages of play. So, isa-search natin siya ngayon. Of course, hindi naman tayo gago na mag-i-skip na lang. So, Mildred Parton. Mildred Parton. Mildred Parton. Ay, sorry. Meron tayong 6 types of play. 3 types are labeled as non-social. Meron siyang non-social at social. Pag sinabi nating non-social, yung onlooker, yan yung tinitignan niya lang ata yung ibang tao. Pinapanood niya maglaro yung ibang tao. Solitary, unoccupied. 3 types of categories with social play naman, parallel, associative, and cooperative. Pag social play, parallel, associative, and cooperative. Non-social naman, onlooker lang, solitary, and unoccupied. So, ano hindi kasali dito? Unoccupied, meron. Unparallel ang wala. Cooperative play, meron. Onlookers play, meron. Kapag sino-zoom in mo yung mukha ko, para akong nako-conscious. Hindi, yung zoom, yung kinakausap ko. Which assessment task measures one of the learning outcomes of this chapter? Explain the complementary relationship of authentic and traditional assessment. Formulate example, no. You have to analyze that on, di ba? Yung I have to understand the part and to you have to break down, ganyan, para maintindihan mo din. Excuse me, which is better? Hindi naman. Gusto natin malaman complementary relationship. Justify the use of traditional. Nasa yung authentic box. What does the complementary relationship between traditional and authentic assessment explain in not more than 3 sentences? So, goods na din yun. Which test item belongs to contextualized item? So, yung kanina, di contextualized item tayo, di ba? So, ngayon, contextualized item tayo, which talks about what is assessment, why was the turtle mad at the monkey, what are the characteristics of quality assessment, or, ito, decontextualized yung mga yan. Kasi parang ang masyado silang general. Tingnan mo to contextualize. Formulate a test item that is aligned with learning outcome. Design an experiment to determine the effects of, di ba? Napaka-contextualize niya. Meron talaga siyang event, meron siyang setting. Anong pangyayari? Ganyan. Which statement on assessment is correct? Traditional is same as performance? No. Authentic assessment consists only process, only product? No, no. So, ang tamang sagot dito, authentic assessment is synonymous sa performance assessment. That's why kapag magpapagawa tayo ng mga activities under performance assessment, masaya tayo or nagkakaroon tayo ng authentic na learning. Next. Teachers can apply this except for one to make learning and more effective. So, except for one na naman. Respecting the individual. Yes. Providing quality early educational practice. Tama. Using information from parents. Tama. Utilizing one strategy. Lahat, di ba? Magkakaiba individual differences. 5 years of dormant license. Hindi ka nagturo. Pag 5 years, kailangan mo ng refresher course na merong 6 na units for pedagogy and 6 unit for content. The philosophy believed. This philosopher believed that children should be children. He emphasized the role of adults in supporting children's innate impulses in their natural environment. Wow, ang galing ko. Tama ko siya. So, ang nagsabi nun ay si Rousseau. Si Rousseau ang section ko dati. This philosopher believed na ang children should be children. He believed that ang role ng mga adults is to support children's innate impulses sa kanilang natural environment. That's according to Rousseau. Next, which of these approaches uses play as a strategy by letting children mix varied ingredients and build simple machines? So, yan yung Montessori approach. Yung sabi ko sa'yo sa Montessori approach, you just let the students let students mix varied para makatry nila mga iba't ibang bagay. Montessori approach. Tsaka lagay na siya dito kasi hindi ko naman siya ganun ka-sureness. Now, pwede zoom out mo ng konti. Nababother ako. Nakaka-bad trip naman yung ano. Wait, tingnan na natin para lalabas siya. Masyado ka zoom box. Okay, next. A grade 1 pupil likes to play with his friends but gets angry when defeated. The J theory states that what under developmental stage pa lang siya. Grade 1 pupil, syempre mga 2 to 7 years old to. This is nasa pre-operational stage. A student with emotional and behavioral disorder frequently disrupt the class by making loud class noises and getting out of their street. Which of the following would be the most appropriate step? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng assessment. Magkanda ka ng behavior assessment, functional behavior assessment, para ma-determine mo kung ano ang function ng behavior. Bakit ganun? Ganun. Ang atake mo dapat Ignore? Dapat hindi ka nag-ignore. Remove the suspension from the classroom and place it under the suspension. Remove the student from the classroom. Hindi din. Give the students, kasi nga, meron siya sakit eh. Why do you have to, ganunin mo siya? Next, these are accepted areas in strategic teaching to achieve complex learning goals but not to include complex learning goals. So, HOTS tayo dito. Reflected reasoning. Own, syempre, HOTS to naman. Problem solving concept. Archiving information is like remembering lang. Based on Pigs and Tang's OBE version, which outcomes are more specific? Again, Biggs and Tang's OBE. Ano ba yung OBE? It's outcome-based education. Ano ang outcomes are most specific? Pinaka-specific yung mga learning outcomes. Yung nasa classroom mo lang mismo. Hindi program outcomes, hindi course outcomes, hindi institutional outcomes. Wait lang, picture tayo. Sure, baby. Next. Next. The current emphasis on the development of critical thinking by the use of philosophic methods that emphasize debate and discussion. Socratic method, Max. Alam mo na yung Socratic method. So, kay Socrates, which of the following is not a strategy to meet the needs of highly able learners? Not a strategy. Hindi strategy. Sige ako din. Susulat daw siya. Ako din, busy din ako. So, ay wait. Tignan natin. Ang anes. Ang anes. Oo, walang nag-review sa aking TikTok. Kailan natin siya panabihin, Max? 19 na ang nanonood po. Ay, ba't ayaw niyo ako panoorin? Like ka sa akin. Ayan. Give endless. Ay, ito. Sabi ko na isagot. Siyempre, hindi strategy yung pagbibigay ng endless guidance sa students. Kasi meron din tayo tinatawag na scaffolding. 'Di ba? Highly able na students, hindi mo na kailangan silang bigyan ng endless instructions. Next. Which of these statement is false? False. All students, regardless of culture or handicap status, must be provided with physical structure that is appropriate and a learning space environment that is inclusive. That is very true. Children with disability may face social, emotional, communication, and mobility problems. That is also true. The UN Conventions on the Rights of Prisoners was adopted. That is true. As research study concluded that staging learning centers and providing toys and materials is sufficient enough. No, that is false. Hindi magiging sufficient enough ang mga toys at materials para lang magkaroon ng social engagement and acceptance toward all children. That is a no. Why did I lie? Bakit ba? Zoom out. Zoom out. Teka mo, ang lapit ko. Ang layo ko mga mga ito, mga 1 meter ang layo ko pero para sobrang lapit ko. Diba? Ganyan natin siya. Hinain lang natin para hindi tayo makaabala. Lapit. Sige, ilapit mo pa. Sino mag-a-adjust natin? Zoom. Ako? Ako mag-a-adjust sa'yo? Paano ba 'to? Dapat hindi ko na lang yan inano, na-distract na siya, na-distract na siya. Auto-framing pala ang tawag. Tanggal ka sa'kin. 'Di na tayo mag-o-auto-frame, last na yun. Oh, yan. Nasa na ako. Next. A children who is cold towards the people around him might be failed to intindihan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito po. Fail to attach what basic goal based on psychological development. Kasi syempre wala siyang tiwala. Tiwala, trust. Which of the following statement is false? False. Incompetently arranged learning spaces can encourage negative interaction. That is true. Noise and quiet areas should not be designed close to each other to avoid frustration. Tama din. The physical environment influences tama. Well-designed classroom discourage, hindi. Diba, ini-encourage niya yung mga students or children to become socially active. Which pillar? Ito na naman, yung pillars of learning describe unity and diversity. That is, learning to live together. He is responsible for the theory which recognizes the importance of developing multiple intelligence. That is Howard Gardner. Next, teaching is a vocation. Vocation comes from the word vocare, means calling. Ano yung calling? Teaching is calling to serve. Everyone is called to teach. No. Many is called, but few are chosen. The response to call to teach is a must. Okay, the correct answer is teaching is calling to serve. Calling, vocation, vocare. Do OBE. OBTL and O understanding by design, observe this principle, begin with the end of mind. No. Diba? Only yung UBD. Kasi ano yung UBD? The understanding by design. Nag-i-start siya sa experiences ng bata. Kaya it would begin in the end, with the end in mind. Next. Mabilis tayo, mabilis. O, diba? 4 minutes na lang. Pero itutuloy pa rin natin to. Mag-break lang ako ng siga mamaya. Next, one of the parted social categories of parallel is ito, si parted. So, the parted social categories of play is parallel play. Identify which one of this statement is true about parallel play. So, hindi mo lang yan i-memorize na meron siyang onlooker, cooperative, associative, yun na. Hindi. Titignan mo din kung ano yung mga statements or paano mo masasabing parallel siya, onlooker siya, ganyan. So, children play side by side with little or no intention. So, yung sagot, nabasa agad eh. Children play side by side. Ang sagot ko kasi, group of children engage in, baka ano to, cooperative or associative, diba? So, kapag sinasabi natin parallel play, children play side by side with little or no intention. Naglalaro lang sila, nandiyan lang sila sa ano, pero wala sila too much the intention. Next, the basic idea of personality held by the symbolic interaction is that personality is the result of interaction between lahat ng heredity, ng environment, ng symbols, ng culture, ng individual. Ay, mali. Mali. Sabi ko lahat, diba? Mali. Maling sagot ko. All of the above sagot ko. So, kasi nga, ang pinag-uusapan lang naman is the basic idea of personality held by symbolic interactionalism. Huwag symbolic, malamang may kinalaman lang sa individual mediated by symbols or knowledge. Pagbasa ka din kasi, huwag puro tada. What should be the first and foremost concern of the professional teacher? It is yung student talaga, yung interest and welfare of the students. What? Ay. Which test measures students' basic ability to select and connect idea, mapping, outlining, matching. Huh? Ability to select and connect idea. That is mapping. Bakit batching ang sagot ko? Bobo. 'Di ba? Parang hindi na madali na lang naman. Kapag siyempre nagse-select at nagko-connect sila ng idea, alam mo yung parang ano lang sila, brainstorming na ima-map nila yung mga yun. Basically, yun ay select and connect ideas. That's mapping. Schools have become open to the idea of borderless society, global society, which among the following educational practices support the multicultural perspective work toward globalization. Cultural exchange program, maganda. International, maganda. UN celebration, maganda. International Conference on Peace Talk, maganda din. What are the benefits of planning and arranging a creative environment for children? It limits creativity. Hindi, di ba nagpapaano sila, nag-encourage pa siya ng creativity and imagination kapag maayos yung creating, yung learning environment of students. It supports children's individuals with passion. That is correct. It teaches children to work collaboratively. Tama din. So, ang sagot natin is D, which is, which is D. Next, last na to, number. Bula, tapos sisiga ako. Which of the following schools teachers trait is indicated when teachers conduct themselves with respect, maintaining proper ethics and decorum inside and outside the class. Virtual professionalism. Kapag alam mo yun, yung teachers mismo, meron silang respeto. Alam nila yung ano eh, hindi siya self-worth eh. It's all about professionalism. Dapat professionalism ka. Inside or outside the classroom. Okay, break time. Ano lang, siga lang, siga lang, siga lang. Mahirap talaga. So hard, oh guys. So hard. Wait lang. It really is hard. So hard, so hard siya. Na maghinga today. Next. What characteristic? Okay, game na ah. Hanggang ano lang tayo dito, 8:30. Oh, 15 minutes na lang. What characteristic of good curriculum? Ano pa ba? Konti na lang ba to? What characteristic of good curriculum imply that curriculum must adapt the educational activities and services to meet the needs and syempre continuously evolving. Ang the curriculum is continuously evolving kasi nga, to meet the needs of dynamic community. Next, a children has a social and emotional well-being when blank. The following are developmentally appropriate practices except for one. Yung mga ayaw ko yung mga yung mga ayaw ko. Sorry, excuse me, God bless me. Di ba ayaw ko yung mga except for one. To help teachers build trusting relationship with their child. Move far from the, kasi titignan mo lang naman din dito kung ano yung pinaka-negative, di ba? Move far from the children and ensure they look up to you. So, except for one, para magkaroon, bakit mo sila ilalayo, te? Diba? Next, which is true about special education. Para lang ba siya sa severe disabilities? Hindi. Para din sa may mga learning disabilities. Ay, sa may mga physical impairment. Students placed in separate school, hindi. There is no benefit to general education teachers. Meron. An education intended for all. Di naman. Di ba meron tayong mga program like yung SPED, yung Special Program for Education. Special, SPED, ano yung SPED? SPED. Special Program for Education. Basta iba yun. Parang intended siya for that, those things. Wait lang kasi siga ulit ako sa dali. Nahihirapan na ako eh. Next. Which of the least, hindi ko to po alam. Which is the least focus of existentialist? Existentialist. Virtual sagot. Existentialist, ang pinaka-least na pakaya, yung focus niya is about sa virtue. Ang sagot ko kasi is self-development. Kasi 'di ba kapag sinasabi natin na existentialist par freedom. So so virtue, meaning in life, freedom, choice. So pinaka bababa sa kanila is virtue. Fear of something that was caused by painful experience in the past is an example of classical conditioning. Hello. Yan. So, painful past is an example of classical condition. Pero tama din. For example is, yan. To. Meron ako malaking scar sa legs. Dalawa yung rason niya. Pero gumaling na isa eh. Pero yung una, magbabanyos ako ng mainit na tubig. Kumukulo siyang tubig. Ilalagay ko sa platera. Tapos sa lamesa. Alam mo yung lamesang mababa lang na pwedeng pag-upuan. Pagpatungan ng paa ganyan. So, doon ko siya nilagay. Tapos, ang ganda ng upo ko. Doon sa lamesa. Kasama nung palanggana na wala pang tubig. Tapos, kaya kinuha ko siya sa yung kumukulong tubig. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko banyos nga. Tapos, biglang pagkaupo ko, nailagay ko na abak sa kaganyan. Pagkaupo ko, shit, nasira yung lamesa. Naka-jogging pants pa ako during that time. Hindi pa ako. So, napaso ang abab. Yung line ko, yung legs ko, as in, may pagano siya. Oh, tsak. Dami. Tapos, ang dami niyang dami niyang plasma. Ano yun yung liquid, the blister? Shit. Ayun. Tapos, yung isa naman na situation, parang balungkot ako, gano'n. Hindi ko na alam nangyayari sa buhay ko, na grade 8 ako. Tapos, late ako. Alas 7 naman talaga akong klase, pero papasok ako 8:00. So, nakisabay ako dun sa pinsan ko, ihahatid lang siya dun sa may central. Yung motor kasi na yun, parang hubad na motor. Tapos, syempre ang uniform naman, ano, di ba, palda. O, di ako palda na yan. Kumayang-kayang si bakla. Doon siya sa likod. Kasi tatlo kami, yung driver, yung pinsan ko, si Zeus, tapos ako. Tapos, pagkaganyan ni Max, ay wala siyang maramdaman na paa niya. Kasi nasunog na. Diba tanga? Yung legs. O di yun na second degree burn kasi as in, ang sobrang lala niya. So, paano natin ito i-connect sa buhay? Kahit laki ng scars ko, ngayon di siya nakaalis. So, wala nung grade 8 ako. So, grade 8, year 4, tas 2, tas 2, 8 years ago na, diba? Yeah. Fear of something that was caused by painful experience is Classical conditioning. Can a professional teacher take the initiative to organize community activity for community development? Yes, of course, because a professional teacher, we are considered as a community leader. In the continuum of development of communication literacy language for children from birth to 21 months, which of the following interaction matches the bubbling and bubbling sounds? Tagal ko dito, Max. Ang tagal ko sinagutan to. Kasi naisip ko, 0 to 21 years old. So, expressive siya sa language. Oo. Pero diba, parang nagsasalita na rin siya na, ba, ba, ba. Ganon, diba? Gagayahin niya na yung adult. So, yun yung una ko sagot. Tapos pinalitan ko siya na nakadepende na lang sa bakit yung ball, sasabihin niya na ba yung word na ball? Hindi pa. So, dapat nakaano lang siya sa mga, ano yun, imitate the infant's vocalization. Sinabi ng infant, ba, ba, sasabi ng adult, ba, ganun. O kaya, hindi naman talaga siya, ano naman sabihin naman ng magbibigay yung infant ng signal, let's go, let's play sa labas. Box, hindi ganun. Okay. The aim of philosophy is to improve and reconstruct society, that is social constructivism. Based on the elements of profession, can a taxi driver be considered as a professional? No, hindi dahil porket meron siya professional license ng na driver's license ay professional na siya. Of course not. Learning constitutes a logical method for organizing and interpreting learning. This is what, syempre, it's all about logical method and interpreting learning. May kinalaman sa utak, that is cognitivist. Teachers can create a grocery store, excuse me, doctor's office, fire station, vet clinic, or kitchen. Which of the following learning areas the dramatic play area? Di ba? Yung alam mo yung kidzone pa yun? Yung kidzone ba yun? Yung basta nung bata kami, yun yung pangarap namin na makapunta doon, matry maging piloto, matry maging ganon. As in, meron siya in-advertiser sa mall, ang mahal-mahal naman doon. So, dramatic play area. Pwede ka maging baker, ganon. Pwede ka maging cook. Siya lang. Di ko na-try nung bata ako. Pero ngayon, marami na ako na namang, marami pa na ako gusto siya. Next, what is the most appropriate tagline for the cultural diversity? Different roads sometimes lead to the same castle. Unity in spite, sa tingin ko yun, tama. Unity amid cultural diversity. At the end of the day, makakarating tayo sa pupuntahan natin, magkakaiba ba tayo ng same path, di ba? Ay, ay, ay. Next, what are the sources of learning outcomes? Vision, correct. Program outcomes from CHED, correct. Bakit di mo tinanggal mo yung CHED? Diba? Learning outcomes pa rin nangyayari kahit trifocalization nga eh. Needs, tama. Local, national, international development, tama. So, lahat sila. Modifying an existing scheme after an individual action with environment resulting in creation of a new scheme. Accommodation. Kasi nag-accommodate ka na ng new scheme. Kapag yung, for example, nito is yung aso na may apat na paa, alam mong aso siya, nakakita ka ng cat, apat din yung paa niya, so sinawag mo siyang aso. Yun ay assimilation kasi wala ka pang alam. Yung schema mo, yun pa lang. Pero pag nadagdagan ka, ninuruan na kita na ang aso ay may aso, yung pusa ay iba siya sa aso, hindi porket ganito ganyan ay aso na. Tapos, alam mo na yung difference. Ang tawag na doon ay accommodation. Ay, what is the first legal document that professionalizing teachers in the Philippines, that is PD 1006, or the decree professionalizing the teachers? Next, Teacher Mar wants to develop her pupils' comprehension skill. Ano yung kailangan niyang i-develop? What order of skills will she develop? Tama ko to? Literal comprehension, interpretation, critical evaluation, at integration. Ad is a student who has difficulty with basic math operation. So, math, ano yung learning disability? Dyscalculia. He views curriculum as a permanent studies. Oy! Where rules of Balik ko kasi. Permanent studies, so Robert M. Hutchins. Parang nasulat ko na si Hutchins kanina. Nakita ko na ba siya kanina? So, isulat natin siya dito. Yung mga aaralin pa. Si Robert Hutchins. Hutchins sa kanyang permanent studies. Where rules of grammar, reading, logic, mathematics for basic R education are emphasized. Ang sagot ko, Arthur Bestor. Hindi ko kilala si Arthur, but ikaw ang sagot ko. Next. 'Di ba? 1 minute na lang. Tapusin pa natin ito. G pa ako. Sige lang. Next. Blank are rights that cannot be renounced because they lead for ay, tama. Tama ko. Inalienable rights. Okay, i-explain ko to sa aking pagkakatanda lang. Pag inalienable kasi, the rights, ito yung mga rights na kahit, di ba, cannot be renounced, kahit anong mangyari, hindi mo maaalis full, because they need to fulfill persons, his or her, ano to, obligations. Di ba sila hindi siya marene? Kasi alienable. Ang alien, di ba pupunta lang naman siya sa isang, di ba? Pupunta siya sa isang bahay, for example. So, may alienable na right siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang mailipat from one person to another. Alienable nga, di ba? For example, is yung ari-arian. Pag inalienable, ito yung right mo as a tao na mabuhay ka. Inalienable. Hindi na yan maaalis sa'yo. Wala pagkabata. Wala nang papanganak ka sa mundong ito. Hindi na yan maaalis sa iyo. Acquired rights naman, ito yung parang privilege mo. Kasi pinaghirapan mo. Pag perfect rights naman, ito yung perfect example ng right. Yung mga batas. Diba? Diba? Para lang ako si Doc Mikey. Shout out po, Doc Mikey. Mikey ba yan? Mr. Tai is planning a science unit for his 5th grade class. He wants to ensure his lessons are inclusive to cater to the needs of the students with different learning disabilities. Which of the following instructional practices would be most effective in achieving this goal? Lumulutang yung utak. Mr. Tai is planning a science unit for his 5th grade. He wants to ensure na inclusive ito with different learning disabilities. O di, variety, tama. Utilize variety. Kasi nga, gusto natin ng mga differentiated instruction. Along PJ principles, what can be effective by way of props and visual aids to help children understand ideas? Instructional material. Kasi syempre, general at umbrella method na dito, instructional media. In your science group work, a student with hearing impairment expresses frustration with the amount of work assigned to each group. Ano gagawin mo? Establish work norms, promote clear communication, diba? Para maging mabait ka. How should that professional teacher respond to unfair criticism raised by parents? Pakinggan mo, pero discourage mo. Hindi yung ipropose mo siya, tapos, sige, laban na natin, madam. Hindi rin yung i-reject mo. Hayaan mo na, pakinggan mo, pero at the end of the day, you have to discourage it. Unstructured play is described below, except, ano na pag unstructured play, except, children are allowed to create only one type of art. Hindi, kaya unstructured siya. Maraming types of play, kaya except one. Curriculum is gradually phased in and phased out, and thus the changes that occur can coexist and often overlap for a long period of time. Ito, curriculum changes made earlier can concurrently magbasa ka kasi tinanamad ka lang na magbasa dito ng part na ito. Which of the following principle guides teachers in establishing a preschool science program that foster children's curiosity and develop their skill and habits of exploring, learning about their world? Alam niyo ba, positive yan lahat. A student with visual impairment is hesitant to participate in a class discussion. Ano yung reason? Di sila nagpe-pay attention? Hindi. They are shy? Hindi din. They may be struggling to follow the confirmation due to kasi nga, meron silang visual impairment, missed information or difficulty taking doubts. So, syempre, visual impairment, malamang kasi baka hindi na nila naiintindihan, masyado ka mabilis, next slide ka ng slide line, hindi na nila nakakapag-take down notes. Okay, according to National Association for Education of Young Children, which statements are false about play. Play is way of children to prepare adult tasks. Parang tama nga siya, no? True siya. Kasi syempre kapag play, parang, okay, doctor, ikaw ay pasyente, di ba ganun? Play promotes skills across all developmental domain. Totoo. Affective man yan, psychomotor, or attitude. Cognitive, affective, or psychomotor. Play supports creativity, yes. Play stresses children's mental health. Hindi. Diba? Kapag naglalaro, hindi naman siya about the ini-stress niya or about talaga siya entirely sa mental health ng student. No. What is the first step in instructional cycle? That is, may kinalaman sa objective. What is evolution? Ito ay that some species are evolutionary transition between major groups of organism. Malamang major groups of organism. Who among the following would be the most target ng financial scammer? Yung mga financially illiterate. Illiterate. Diba? 8:39. Di pa rin po ako tapos. Tapusin ko na lang to last page promises. Okay, if teaching is considered as your mission naman, ito ay calling, kung yung vocare is calling, a mission is you are sent out para gumawa ng isang task. So, faithful to teaching no matter what, tama. You're for recognition of efforts, no. You will be faithful to your mission and you want to succeed, tama. Several student and art class may be exposed simultaneously to the same painting. Pero magkakaiba sila ng attraction. Yung isa sa color, yung isa sa form, yung isa sa... Meron tayong different na mga learning experiences. The effectiveness of mga basic needs of hierarchy, that is kay Maslow. One's ability to do abstract reasoning and manipulate symbols, that is mathematical, logical. Filipinization is violated if malamang yung America, basta may kinalaman sa America, hindi na siya Filipino. Look, look at these strategies. Which basic concepts in mathematics do they teach children? May pattern kasi si daddy meron siyang stripes na white, blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. May clap yung song, tat, 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 tat. Why put the block on the bucket? Magdamp ka. Diba? May patterns, may relationship, may change. In the light of modern concept of teaching, which is characteristic of effective teaching. Putting information to allowing learner to learn on their own. Yun ang sagot dapat. Developing abilities to address the future, hindi pa. Masyado ka lang removing the physical presence, hindi. Allowing the learner kasi tingnan mo, under naman siya na kapag you allow the learner to learn on their own, they can also develop the abilities that they need in the future. Following the Maslow's hierarchy of need, what values outcome will you focus so the learner can achieve the highest level, yung self-actualization in school? Kailangan self-actualization. Ano ba? Pati yung sagot mo. Which of the following is not a characteristic ng EBD? Physical impairment? Kasi nga, emotional and behavioral lang naman ang sinasabi dito sa EBD. Next. So, ang sagot, physical impairment. Kasi iba yun. This type of playground provides materials such as logs, stumps, rocks, and piece of wood. So, nature inspired siya. Next, which of the following is the most important consideration for an effective lesson for learners with communication disorder? So, kapag ganyan, hindi dapat natin sila i-overwhelm, emphasize remembering. First, hindi. Focus sa pagko-cover ng lessons, hindi. Develop more materials that will only. So, pinaka-better is yung break down complex information into smaller parts or manageable parts. Next, for holistic learning, it is urgent to utilize both sides of the brain, the affective as well as the cognitive, the logical along with behavioral. What will you find in the UN Declaration of Human Rights as the most important or most human adjustment to protection of child in the world? Oh, so most human adjustment to protect the children in the world, that is the special care and assistance. Special care and assistance. So that ends na ang ating video. Dahil napapagod na ako. At gusto ko lang sumiya. At masyado nang mahaba ang video na ito. I think. So, ayun lang. See you ulit later. Bye!